In the last video, we saw how we can make an unordered list in our web document, and this video we are gonna make an order list and also description list. So let's head on to our Atom text editor. Okay, so this is how we left in the last video. In this video, we are gonna use the OL tag, which is the order list tag for displaying order list on our web document. So let's type OL here, OL, and hit enter. So all the li will be written inside this OL tag. So let's add li here. And the text we're gonna display is, let's keep it coffee, tea and milk, because I told you in the earlier videos I don't want any controversy in my videos. If this video goes viral, that is the condition. Any content is not going viral. So let's add coffee, tea, milk here and refresh it. So refresh. Here we got our coffee, tea, milk, and let's add some styling properties to it. In OL we just write type here, type 1. Type 1 means we are gonna display numbers before the text, that is 1, 2, 3. So let's change the type here. Let's make it A, capital A, I think. Capital A, yes. Save it and refresh it. Look, we got ABC now. Let's try making it small a, small letters here. We're going to use the small letters here, so save it and refresh it. And for saving, you have to use Ctrl+S if you don't know it yet. And let's write I, capital I. Save it, refresh it. You will see Roman numbers here. For getting small Roman numbers, you can use small I here. Save it and refresh it. We got small numbers here, that is 1, 2, 3, which are in Roman. So let's add those types of coffee in this too. Let's add another OL here, which is order list, as I told you earlier. And we are gonna write all this text inside it. Okay, just copy this out. It will make our work a bit easier. Just paste it inside it. We'll change the tags at the end. Let's just copy all this. Paste it for tea. And just copy out this full toned milk and low fat milk from here and paste it here. It looks funny, right? Like I don't work in dairy, you know. I don't have a job in dairy. And refresh it. So you got this K. It's UL right now. We need OL, right? We need OL here. So let's add BR to our last tag of UL. So we'll get some space between the UL and OL here. Look, we got some space between them, so we can easily identify them. And these are UL right now, so let's make it OL. Okay, let's first hit enter and indent them properly, so it is more easier to identify which are those LIs and ULs. And let's change the UL to OL. OL, and let's change our style, right? Let's make it I something. Let's make it A, capital A, and refresh it. You will not see any change, right? Because it's basically an OL, and we don't use list style type property here. We use just type tag here, which I told you earlier in this video. If you're hearing this properly, you will just get to know that this is totally wrong. We have to use type I here. Type and the N which you want, paste it instead of that and make it capital A. Save it and refresh it. Also, you might see any mess here because we have this UL at the end. We want the OL to end. So let's make it OL here. Yeah, you can see this right now. This looks completely messy. So let's make it OL. Now save it and refresh it. Hit enter here and refresh it now. like you will see a completely different summary. And so let's just copy. Okay, it's fine, I think. Let's change the type to A. We don't need to copy it, we'll just change it here. This much we can do, right? Like we don't want to be like a fat guy who sits and just doesn't do any work. Also, no body shaming here. Make it to oval type A and just change the intax to make it oval, and this one will also become oval here. Now I think it's fine. Hit enter here after each and every li. So now refresh it. You will get this completely sorted order list. We have just used a type A. So let's use some numbers here. We'll start from 20. So the numbers will start from 20, 21 and 22. And refresh it 20 and 21 because we have only two LIs here in our milk section. So let's add another LI here. Let's make it condensed milk. Sounds tasty, right? And let's refresh it now. We got this condensed milk here. Also, if you have any cravings, you can pause this video and go to your refrigerator to search for a condensed milk and you can eat them if you like it. It's not any compulsion here. So the oval tag ends here. Okay. So let's use another tag, another list basically, which is DL, which is description list. Remove this class. Okay, let's remove. Let me remove all this. Let's write it again to make sure you see all this definition that are suggested. Make it DL and make this DT, which is definition term. We're gonna define this term here. Below that, we're gonna use some different tag below that. So let's add T to DT. Hit enter and let's use another tag which is DD, which is description. And let's write some text here. Make sure the first word is capital. Yeah, we are not in junior classes, right? The T is super hot. Again, I'm doing this type of the T is super hot. And refresh it. Look, we got this short description for this T. Let's make it something more interesting. Let's add greater than arrow here. Now let's see what are the changes we're gonna see. Lol, it gets more messier. Let's simply add a hyphen here and refresh it now. Okay, I think it's fine now. Let's use another DT here. Let's make it coffee and the description will be the coffee as, let's keep it. Again, I did this mistake, guys. Lol, I'm funny, right? I'm funny, I know. I do funny mistakes. The coffee is super cold. Yes, it's fine now, I think. I might have just forgot to add this hyphen here. So I will see you in the next video with some different content. Till then, bye bye, take care.